Everyone in AI automation is obsessed in creating more workflows. In my opinion, stop building n8n workflows. Do this instead. What 9 months of building taught me about AI automation that actually works, I'm going to tell you. The problem is everyone building the same thing again and again because there are thousands of n8n tutorials in the YouTube. Same email agent, same Instagram bots, same lead generation flaws. Everything is same, only the videos are and the channels are different. The hard truth is knowing how to build workflows is not the skill that makes you money. The skill that makes you money is knowing how to solve the problem for them. In my 9 months of YouTube content creation, I published 19 videos, 65 subscribers on YouTube, for 427 views on my best short, showing what I built. What I actually built is the one workflow that catches the lead. Claude AI analyze the lead, whether they are qualified or not. WhatsApp triggers and sends a message to them. You are registered. Cal.com books the call with them. Reminders will be going to them before the call and seats will be locked. This is a workflow I have built, but it is easy to build this by using the Claude. So the right tool we have to use. Instead of Zapier, we use n8n unlimited task, self-hosted free, deploy on railway in 10 minutes. AI agents, agent node, code nodes, HTTP requests, sub workflows, and handling. This is better than Zapier. But if you use n8n, we have to put more hours to drag and drop nodes and authenticate all things. So Claude builds a logic, you deploy it. Instead of you manually dragging and dropping and making your mind work for the entire 4 to 5 hours, Claude builds it in 30 to 40 minutes. Build a full lead engine automation system in n8n for a coaching business. Workbook, AI Qualify, WhatsApp, L.com, remember seats. What came back? 26 note 4 minutes. Not 30 minutes, it's 4 minutes. What actually matters? The three things to focus on. Pick one person, not businesses, not everyone. One specific type of person with one specific problem. Like I build automation for coaches. Like that, you pick one person for solving their problem. Understand their pain better than they do. Spend weeks talking, not building. Understand what keeps them up night. Whether they are a paid client or a free client, you have to talk to them. Instead of you getting paid, you get more knowledge from them. Build one bulletproof system, not 10 half-built workflows. One system that solves that one problem completely. Proof it works. My best video wasn't a tutorial. Claude built 26 notes showing what I built. It's not a tutorial video. And week 2, a learning update, tutorial format. It goes only 13 views. So the real take is stop collecting workflows like they are trading cards. One system that solves a real problem is worth more than 15 nobody asked for. What's next for my purpose is building in public, learning Claude code, using Claude to build entire client systems, not just n8n workflows. Documenting every step, wins, failure, and everything in between posted here weekly. Building pekiflow publicly from 65 subscribers to real AI automation agency. Watch it happen. Want to build this for your business? Book a free call with me and we will discuss about what problems you are facing.